This is a Teton Sports introduction to the Outfitter XXL cot. The bed of the Outfitter XXL cot is made from a heavy-duty 600D poly canvas, and the high load-bearing steel S-leg design easily holds up to 600 pounds spread out evenly over the cot. It's high quality at an affordable price. This is a portable cot and comes in a durable side-load carrying bag with a shoulder strap. Setup's a breeze. Once you get all 4 pins in, just stretch, pull, and push down that last end bar. The Outfitter XXL is part of our collection of outdoor gear, compatible with the Outfitter XXL camp pad, cot organizer, gun sleeve, and cot understorage, designed to give you the best base camp experience anywhere. The Outfitter XXL cot will give you a great night's sleep every time, and it also makes a great extra bed for guests. The Outfitter XXL cot, along with all Teton products, comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which means we've got you covered. We have an awesome customer service team based here in the US that's ready to get you fixed up and back outdoors. Thanks for watching, get outdoors, and enjoy life. This is an introduction to the Teton Sports Adventurer Camp Cot. Teton Sports makes cots in a variety of sizes, however this is the smallest. It's as long as a twin-size mattress. The bed is made from heavy-duty 600D poly canvas and has a sturdy steel X-leg assembly and steel frame. It's high quality at an affordable price. It's portable and comes with a durable side-load carrying bag with shoulder strap. The Adventure Camp Cot is sturdy and holds up to 400 pounds, and setup is a breeze. Just pull the end bar and click into place. The Adventure Camp Cot is part of our collection of outdoor gear designed to give you the best base camp experience around. Compatible with the Adventure Camp Pad, cot organizer, gun sleeve, and cot understorage. You'll get a great night's sleep every time. Also makes a great extra bed for guests. This cot, along with all Teton products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which means we've got you covered. We have an awesome customer service team based here in the USA, and it's service you can count on to get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to the Adventurer Camp Cot. Thanks for watching, get outdoors, and enjoy life.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.